Hello, my name is Diana Kios. I'm in my final year of general medicine. I study at the University of Medicine and Pharmacology Craiova from Romania. I participate in the workshop called Genome Editing by CRISPR, and I had the chance to meet one great teacher called Monica Moitra. She answered all my questions, and I had a lot of them, and she had a lot of patience with me, and I appreciate it a lot. One thing that I consider it to be able to be improved is the time that we had to practice. Thank you very much for this opportunity, BDG LifeSciences.
And Lita Jose here. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's in biotechnology, chemistry and botany from Christ University, Bangalore. I attended Genomics and Proteomics online workshop hosted by BDG LifeSciences. Before this course, I was all messed up with the use of online tools for annotation. But this course made it very clear, starting from the basics till the end of sequence as well as functional annotations. This really gave me an hands-on experiment on this topic. I am proud to tell that my mentor Monica ma'am was always there to clear all my queries, and also she had explained it very clearly without losing a bit of information. I am currently looking forward to do more courses from this platform.
I'm Tanveen Kausoni and I'm a student pursuing BSc in Biotechnology from JS University, Kolkata. I recently took part in a workshop conducted by BDG LifeSciences from 20 to 24 of December on the topic Structural Bioinformatics. Our mentor was Nilofer ma'am and she taught us about the different aspects of structural bioinformatics. The workshop was indeed really interesting, and I got to know about the different tools which we can use to predict larger biomolecules like proteins and study different nucleotides. The workshop has proved to be fruitful for me as I have gained a lot of knowledge through it. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lisina. I am a doctorate holder in the field of bioinformatics. I have attended vaccine designing workshop. I found it very useful. The session was very interactive also. Monica ma'am was clearing the doubts before moving to the next step. Also, the protocol shared was very useful, which we can use later for reference. So I wish to join coming workshops. Thank you for the whole BDG team. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, I am Rajeshwari. I have attended Structural Bioinformatics course on December 28th. The course was well structured, well designed. The instructor have a good patience to explain all our doubts, not only in curriculum, it apart from the curriculum, like other doubts also they explain in a patient's manner. The course covers sequence alignment tools like UniProt, PIR, protein structural analysis, also classification of proteins like Interpro, PFAM, PDB, which is crucial for the structural bioinformatics protein data bank. The course covers the Swiss model server, and also finally the drug discovery like ChemSketch, CHEML, drug discovery data bank databases also it is covered. I would really recommend this course for new people. Also, I would like to attend more workshops on this platform. Thank you so much.